my sweet Empress. All the hard times just melt away. Stress get light like morning mist. Heart feel bright like Easter Day. Every worry just start vanishing. Only your smile in my mind. When you hold me, everything makes sense. Love so deep, so warm, so kind. Oh, touch me, my sweet Empress, baby. When you touch me, I feel alive, like Easter sunrise on the ocean. All this joy just start to rise. Oh, touch me, my sweet Empress, baby. Your little fingers calm my soul. Every time you lay them on me, broken pieces turn back whole. Oh yeah. When you kiss me, my whole world quiet. Only your breathing close to me, like a church bell ringing soft and steady, calling my spirit to be free. Every tear turn into laughter, every scar feel like it healed. When you whisper, darling, I'm here, love get holy, strong and real. Oh, touch me, my sweet Empress, baby. When you touch me, I feel alive, like Easter sunrise on the ocean. All this joy just start to rise. Oh, touch me, my sweet Empress, baby. Your little fingers calm my soul. Every time you lay them on me, broken pieces turn back whole. When the world get rough and heavy, come rest your head upon my chest. We bless this love like Easter Sunday, dress it up in our very best. Even when the storm cloud gather, you and I still stand as one. Hand in hand we walk together under love's forever sun. Touch me, my sweet Empress, baby. When you touch me, I feel alive, like Easter sunrise on the ocean. All this joy just start to rise. Ooh, touch me, my sweet Empress, baby. Your little fingers calm my soul. Every time you lay them on me, broken pieces turn back whole.